very easy topic, that is synonyms and antonyms. Now antonyms are opposite words and synonyms are similar or same words with similar meanings. Okay, not sounding similar, the meanings are similar. So let's start. Now in this chapter you have to, everything will not be given to you because there are so many words and there are so many antonyms and synonyms. Everything cannot be taught to you. You will just be given a few examples and the rest you have to learn by yourself. Okay, so if even in the exercise that I have given you, that is for you so that you write and you learn. In case you don't know, don't worry, I will give you the answers later on, but do try to do as much as you can. So let's start with antonyms first. Antonyms are opposite words. They can be completely different words or they may be formed by adding prefixes such as in, un, or, ill, did, im, miss, etc. Now there are two ways of forming antonyms. That's what he is saying. Now let's see the first way. Completely different word. There are some antonyms which the opposite words are totally different from the original word. Examples: courage is cowardice or courageous is a coward. Okay. Knowledge, ignorance, transparent, opaque. And another way of forming antonyms is by adding prefixes or changing of suffixes. Like the first example is hospitable, you just add in, it becomes inhospitable. Responsible, you just add IR, it becomes irresponsible. Legal, you just add IL, it becomes illegal. Okay, so now we go to synonyms. So now the first exercise, fill in the blanks. I will be telling you some of the answers, so just pay attention. Fill in the blanks with the antonyms of the words in the brackets. So here you have to write the opposites. First one, I've given you the answer, so it's how you have to write. This is the example. Dash next morning they started off on the camel hunt. So the word is given to you in bracket late. What is the opposite of late? Early. So you will write that opposite word or the antonym in the bracket. You are a bird, a vulture, and you can fly low. Opposite of low is what? That you will write in the bracket. Third one, you are known to be a dash and dash creature. The words are foolish. Opposite of foolish, wise. And opposite of dull, tell me. Yes, so you know the words. I'm not going to tell you everything. So foolish, you know, I just told you, actually it was a mistake. I wasn't supposed to tell you. So you write the word opposite of foolish in the first blank and dull in the second blank. Fourth one, they dash had enough to eat. So opposite of never, the word never, that's what you will write in the blank. A gravitational force equivalent to that of the earth. The word is earth has been dash maintained. Naturally. So what is unnaturally? What is not? It doesn't come naturally. You make it artificially. Okay. So she had completely dashed her mother. So the opposite of remembered. It was a dash place in history. Newest means you know the opposite. Very easy. Which were a little difficult. I have told you all the answers. So just write the answers with the correct spellings. Next, write the synonyms of the given words. First, obvious, that is a similar words. Okay. Prank, fabulous, comfort, gleaming, empty, miserable, peace, motive, courage, ferocious, harsh, inspire, trembled. Peculiar means it's not something that's normal, it's very queer, it's very odd. Agony. Okay, so your homework is only this much, so I'm sure you can do it. It's not very difficult. You may get stuck a little in synonyms, but antonyms are very easy. So what you do is write whatever you know, whatever you are sure of. If you're not sure of, just write it in pencil. So when I give you all the answers or check your answers, you just have to change it or erase it and write it in pen. Okay, so do have a good day and do make an effort to do it by yourself.